What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Living Life Fast, and I'm whispering because I've got about 10 people out, so I'm trying to keep it quiet. And you join me at Superspeed'S, located in Stoke Poges. They've actually got a sick collection of cars outside. I thought it'd be a cool opportunity to get Fadar, the owner, out, and we'll do a little walk around because we've got some real classic Porsches, new Porsches. We're sitting in the back of this car with them. Oh, look at this, the Renault Clio V6, just £20 a ticket. And we've got my GTR here. Thought it was worth a video, as I have featured these cars in quite a few videos, but we haven't sort of gone in depth with them. So yeah, enjoy the video.
But before we get further into the video, I'd like to make a shout out for Raid Shadow Legends, who has kindly sponsored this video. Raid Shadow Legends is a free-to-play dark fantasy turn-based RPG game available both for mobile and PC. You've probably heard about this by now, but let me tell you, in terms of gameplay, it's one of the deepest and most complex mobile games around. And I genuinely love it. And the second you start playing, you'll realise this ain't one you'll quickly complete overnight. No way. The graphics are amazing, and with super exciting 4v4 player battles, this game will have you playing for hours, upgrading champions and working out how to defeat the end bosses. And within the last couple of weeks, they've added a load of new updates. There's a lot to mention, so I'll just dive in. First, they've just added champion fragments, which let you collect pieces of champions that you can use to summon specific awesome champions. With special events running all the time, there's also a new bazaar where you can load up on high value items with the gold bars you win in Tag Arena. And they just extended the daily login rewards up to 270 days, with free champions available just for logging in. It's been a crazy month for updates, so there's never been a better time to start. Go to the video description, click on the special links, and if you're a new player, you'll get 100,000 silver, 50 gems, 10 mystery shards, plus one free champion called Slasher. The rewards will be available for the next 30 days only for new players.
My Nissan GTR. Sorry if there's any wind noise. We've got E30 Sport Evo, we've got Evolution 2, E30 M3. These are some very rare cars worth a lot of money. Got SLS here as well.
Hey Ricky, what's up?
What are you saying for that? You good, yeah?
How you doing?
Yeah, man. Elbows and that, social distancing, yeah?
Social distancing.
Yeah, yeah.
How you been?
I'm feeling great. What's going on there, man? Aventador, you've got the car, half the car's missing, man.
Yeah, we're doing just another exhaust on an SVJ. This one's a beautiful car, black, with a lot of carbon on it,
Right.
brand new. So we're doing a full income exhaust on it, made by Brook Race Exhaust.
Okay.
By the man himself, Eddie there.
Jeez. Aaron, what are you saying, bro?
The boss.
The boss. Cleaner, yeah?
The boss. The boss. The boss. He's ordering us about.
I noticed there's quite some nice cars outside. I know a few of them are yours as well.
Some for servicing, some mostly for MOTs. Some of the cars are my own, some are customers' cars. They're coming once a year for an MOT and so on. So.
Let's do I think they call it a walk around. I don't really do many of them.
Let's do it.
When's Mayweather collecting his car?
He's ready. He's left it with us for a few months.
The money team.
This is the Phantom Drophead. It speaks for itself, doesn't it?
Yeah, man. It's like a yacht, isn't it?
It's huge. You take for a drive if you like?
Yeah, man. We've got some cross doing, boy.
Yeah, well, this is
That's a
luxury.
house, mate. That's
luxury.
a house.
Luxury.
Look how thick it is, man. It's got girth. Let's take a look at some of these Porsches we've got. You've got a couple of your M3s outside. We've mentioned them a lot of times, haven't we, before?
Yeah. We've talked about them. This is the 964 3.6 turbo. Lovely car.
Beautiful.
It's black on black. These came in a couple of variants. This one's a 3.6. The earlier one's a 3.3. They came from factory around 330 brake horsepower. Rear wheel drive, turbo. There's roughly around about 1700 made.
Yeah.
Don't quote me on that, please. It's just a rough figure. I know that that's how many were made.
Left
This
hook
one's
car,
a left
manual.
hooker. This is a German car,
Yeah.
manual. Yeah, like I said, it's a black on black with the Turbo S factory wheels.
Loud as well.
Oh, crazy! Yeah, we've got a bit of a Brook race exhaust put on this as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll start it up for you sometime. This is a 964 RS. This is a customer's car, wide body, it's running about 350 brake horsepower. Originally they came 3.8. This one's actually been up to 3.9.
Okay.
Crazy car.
And when you
It's
say
track
wide body,
focused.
you mean it's got the turbo body,
Turbo
right?
body, yeah. So it's the same body as the turbo there.
Okay.
Normally they come, some RSs come narrow body. This is the wide body version on that.
And it's a Carrera RS, yeah? So it's not the equivalent of a Gt2 RS, or?
Yeah, so these are one of the first RSs.
Okay.
Yeah,
right.
so
it would be a bit of track focus, a bit lighter.
yeah,
and
light.
stuff like
Yeah,
that.
it's all lightweight inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you from inside.
Nice. Man. The original, man. And obviously that one, this is the body from Bad Boys, right?
Yes. So you got the bucket seats, lightweight, naturally aspirated.
Yeah. Very simplified inside, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll show you the.
Can you even sit in the back there, or is that just no seats? Or
Nah, it's just a two-seater.
yours got seats, right?
Yeah, mine's well, they call the 2+2 seats, the baby seats. Really, an adult can't fit in them. It's only a small baby.
Yeah,
seat.
but technically,
Yeah.
air cooled as well. Yeah.
Air cooled, crazy, eh? Is it
These
not-
are
so-
around
so-
what, 260, 250, 260?
No, this is 350.
350.
350
Yeah.
brake horsepower, yeah. Naturally aspirated, 350. This one's obviously been souped up a bit. Again, this one's got a Brook race exhaust on it.
Okay.
So this is a 993 Gt2 Evocation. So the GT2s came with the bolt-on arches from factory. You get the road version, and then you get a track version as well, which is called the Evo, Gt2 Evo. Beautiful inside,
Yeah.
beautiful colour,
Wow, look at condition,
Yeah.
man. Left hooker as well.
left hooker,
All original.
all original. Yeah, that's how they come. This is twin turbo, running just over 500 brake horsepower.
Wow.
Again, it's got a crazy exhaust on it,
This must
non-sunroof
feel
version.
rapid.
Yeah, and the colour is amazing. As you can see in the sun, the colour looks crazy in it.
Yeah, I think I was looking at the Evos. I think somebody sold one for about 1.5 mil, like in
Yeah.
2017 or something.
Yeah, yeah. So
Crazy.
the original GT2s are worth quite a bit of money.
Mm.
Yeah, it's just rear-wheel drive, no traction control. GT3 RS.
Yeah. Got YSAC pack on it as well.
YSAC pack.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the Generation 2, the later one, 2018 model.
Okay.
It's got all the carbon roof, carbon bonnet.
Yeah.
It's a full YSAC package on it. Rear-wheel drive, slightly lighter than the standard GT3 RS. The non-YSAC, this comes slightly lighter.
Okay. And obviously this is a extra to the normal GT3.
Right, that's right. Yeah.
What kind of
4 litre.
value are these? Expensive, aren't they?
They've actually now around anywhere between 150 to 180,000 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah,
With a YSAC, obviously
a bit more. That's right. Yeah.
And
Moving
they've got
on.
my personal favourite.
Yeah.
Well, I think the GT3 RS. Well, they used to be my favourite.
Okay,
But yeah, like this is obviously the fastest 911.
that's right.
700
GT2 RS,
horsepower now.
700 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
GT2 RS, YSAC package again.
It's basically got the Porsche turbo engine,
Yeah,
and it's the
turbo,
turbo
twin
body,
turbo. Yeah, turbo
Yeah.
body. Yeah.
rear wheel drive.
Rear wheel drive.
What a beast, man. Left hooker as well. You love your left hookers, don't you?
Yeah, I enjoy driving left-hand drive cars. to be
Yeah.
honest, yeah. The original, I got used to it from the E30 M3s,
Yeah.
and then the original, all the air-cooled stuff. Actually, is better seating position in the left-hand side than the
Yeah.
right-hand side, because the
Okay.
right-hand side you sit slightly, the pedals are slightly to the left.
Right,
So,
right, I see.
Yeah, I prefer driving the left-hand drives in them, so that's why I always buy left-hand drive stuff.
Beautiful inside, guys. What is it? Carbon wings, bonnets. The roof's what is
Carbon
it?
roof,
Magnet.
carbon rear wing, carbon front bonnet, and the front fenders are carbon as well.
Yeah.
With all the slats, it's got the full carbon package on it.
Did a Nürburgring lap time. I think it was about 740.
Yeah,
no,
when it
sorry,
was-
640.
That's the Mercedes SLS, the gullwing.
Yeah.
This is one predecessor from the GTS.
Mm.
One of my personal favourite Mercedes, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. This one is again with the gullwing doors.
Wow, that is
Yeah,
awesome.
it's going to be, you know,
So this is like the predecessor of the GTS
GTS,
now,
yeah.
but you're saying something like this would have a lot more value because
yeah,
of the
because
doors.
they came with the gullwing doors. It's still worth good money.
You say this is an Evolution 2, yeah, E30 M3, yeah.
That's right, E30 M3 Evolution 2. So there's a few different variants. This is the Evolution 2, only 500 made in 4 different colours. There's a couple of silvers, a macar blue and a red. This is numbered plaque in the centre. This is number 224, and this is my own personal car. I've had it fully restored. This has got 2.3 S14 engine in it. Evolution 2s all came with the white block, the cover,
Right.
cover and the plenum. The Evolution 2s only came with the checkered interior
Okay.
with the grey bolsters. So that's the Sport Evolution. Some people call them the Sport Evolution 3 or Evo 3, but it's actually Sport Evolution. Their later version, they're made in 1988, 89, 90. These
Yeah.
are 88, 89. Those are 89, 90. and they came 2.5 version with lighter glass. The thinner glass, there's 3mm glass on it rather than 4.2. They came with different front fenders and brake ducts on the front, and they only came 2 colours, and they run around 235 brake horsepower standard.
Okay.
2 different colours only, one's jet black and one's brilliant red.
Right.
Only the Sport Evos came with those 2 colours. In the Evolution 2s you get Hannah red, the Glass silver and the grey and the Macar blue.
Okay.
So yeah, they've done different colour versions in both of these. And the Sport Evolutions, there's only 600 made. Sport Evolutions are retailing from anywhere between 100 and 130, depending on condition mileage. Low mileage ones have been sold for more than that, whereas the Evolution 2s are anything between 65 and 80 grand, depending on mileage and condition again.
And obviously we've got
Yeah, the famous GTR.
the Ultimate.
Yeah, this is one of our best customers.
Yeah.
Yeah, LLF.
I'm looking to take out everything here.
Yeah,
I'm trying to have a combined horsepower of your whole car park for Dar. That's how we go.
That's what it will be, I reckon.
Yeah.
Just to let your viewers know that we Super Speed, we do MOTing, we do wheel alignment. We've got one of the best wheel alignment machines in this side of the country.
Yeah.
And obviously all servicing and any kind of work that he's doing.
Like MOT and tyre changes,
tyres,
car
MOTs,
fixing,
anything
even
to
modding,
do with
exhaust,
yeah,
everything.
definitely. Yeah, we do the Brook Race exhaust,
Yeah.
or we can retrofit any other
Yeah.
exhaust.
And you're located in Stoke Poges?
Stoke Poges, Buckinghamshire, yeah,
Cool.
just outside Heathrow.
Yeah.
So yeah, more than welcome.
Fadar claims to be the boss, innit?
No, I'm the cleaner,
no,
bro.
you're the main
I've
man.
done the toilets, I've done the offices, I'm about to do the workshop, man.
This is a important man as well.
This guy is
The
important.
Alchemist.
That's it.
This is why all
Not
these
the
cars look
alchemy,
good.
the alchemy.
All
The
these
alchemist.
cars are shining from this man here.
Yeah.
Turning dirt to gold.
That's it.
Dirt to gold, yeah?
That's it, alchemy thing, man.
And we
Yeah,
keep
right
that
now.
patina just right. Just right, that patina. We get some wicked cars in, good customers. We have a good time what we do.
Yeah.
Try and enjoy our day.
And do you know
That's
what?
it.
I said yesterday it's a bit like Noah's Ark, everything's 2x2.
Yeah, literally.
2 964s there, 2 RSs there,
We're lucky.
964s.
Yeah, so guys, I'm going to end the video there. As always, if you did enjoy the video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.